Imagine walking into the most glamorous event of the year. You're surrounded by opulence, you're surrounded by extravagance. But now, picture this. Amidst all that glitz and glamour, someone else walks in wearing nothing but a wet t-shirt and some smeared mascara. Maybe their hair is even tousled about. Sounds like a scene from a movie, right? Well, it actually happened, and it stole the show. Today, we're uncovering why breaking the mold and embracing simplicity might just be your secret weapon to standing out. How simplicity and authenticity can be your Willy Wonka level golden ticket to grabbing attention and standing out in a crowded market. We're going to be using the unexpected and captivating example of Doja Cat at the 2024 Met Gala. Whether you've heard about it or not, stick with me here because we're going to explore why going against the grain can make all the difference. So buckle up, my friends, and get ready to discover the power of keeping it real and keeping it simple. First, let's set the scene a little bit right here, shall we? It's the 2024 Met Gala, an event known for its way over-the-top fashion and way larger-than-life outfits. It's not a strange thing to see attendees draped with floral gowns that really could, by themselves, fill a small room. Each piece that you see is usually more extravagant than the last one you just saw, and year after year, people seem to compete to outdo one another. And then in walks Doja Cat, wearing, yeah, you guessed it, nothing more than a wet t-shirt and some smeared mascara. The media lost their shit. I'm telling you, the media frenzy was instantaneous. Flashbulbs were popping, cameras were clicking, people were buzzing. She became the headline of the night.